How to change Netflix video quality. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change Netflix video quality on your mobile device. So first of all, let's open our Netflix app. And now let's go to any of our profiles. Now, in case of YouTube, you could simply change video quality from the video itself, but in case of Netflix you can't do that. So in order to change video quality, you'll have to tap on your profile on the top right corner of your screen and then go to app settings. And now in case of Netflix, you can only change the download video quality, meaning there are basically two options, standard and high. So if you choose high, the videos you download from Netflix will have high quality, but if you choose standard, the videos you download on Netflix will play on normal quality. So that is the only way on how you can change Netflix video quality unlike YouTube. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.